Guys, what is up? It's Reese Tafso back for another video. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about the new Snapchat update that brought Spotlight to Snapchat, which is kind of like TikTok, a new feature where you can reel around and look at different posts that people post. I'm also going to be talking about the new public profiles that are going to be rolled out to everyone, especially those who are using the Spotlight feature. Get right into this video. Alright guys, so starting off with the new Snapchat Spotlight feature, I'm going to tell you about what it is, what it does, and what you want to use it for. So first, let's start off what it is. This new Snapchat Spotlight feature is a feature where you can look at people's best posts, best Snapchats, and scroll through them as if you're on TikTok. You can like and save the ones that you think are the best, and you can send them around. This helps you gain a following because if you post something that a lot of people like on Spotlight, they can also add you up, and then you can then grow a fan base much easier. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, what do I post on Spotlight? Because everything is getting rejected on Spotlight. Now, what are you supposed to post on Spotlight? You're supposed to post your best snaps, your most creative snaps, your most funny snaps, or things that you would post on like most satisfying. If you've ever seen the videos where it's like so satisfying, those are videos in which people are uploading them #SoSatisfying. If you do this and you post a satisfying video and you put the #SoSatisfying, you can then upload to Spotlight and they'll share it around on the SoSatisfying feed. When creating a Spotlight, you want to get your best snap and a snap that you enjoy personally, but make sure it's completely appropriate. Make sure it doesn't violate any community guidelines. Once you have your snap, you want to then hit send arrow button, click Spotlight, and then it will ask you if you want to put any topics in there. Put any topics that surround the interest, such as if you're doing a Snapchat about high school, put high school, best of high school, best high schoolers, and jocks. Like something along the line of that. That way people know what they're looking for. Once you submit a Spotlight, it will be out there until you decide to take it down. Spotlights do not go away after 24 hours. They are out there, and they can also be liked, shared, and sent around. So make sure you know what you're posting and know that it can be sent around and stay up there for a long time. Now let's move into public profiles. Public profiles are being rolled out to many people right now, but they are slowly being rolled out. A lot of people that are getting public profiles right now are using the feature Spotlight. Some people, all they have to do is click the 3 dots on the side of Spotlight and it'll say create public profile. You then follow the instructions to set up your public profile. Now, who all is getting this? When are you getting it? And how do you get it? So everyone will be getting it if you're 18 plus on Snapchat. So if you aren't 18 plus, I recommend changing your age. Whenever you post a Spotlight, make sure your Spotlights are appropriate, and within the next 2 months, you should be able to make a public profile if you have a Spotlight up and you're above 18. Anyone can do it. It gives you insights and it gives you all the roles. Now, some people want to know how to verify their account on Snapchat. Now, Snapchat has certain requirements for verifying accounts. The new Snapchat requirements require a lot of fans, meaning you have a huge fan base, and also that you have a public profile. Once you get your public profile set up from Spotlight, you can then contact Snapchat about verifying your account as a personal brand instead of just a brand. You can call yourself a personal brand, but you want to make sure you don't lie about this. You need to make an actual personal brand about yourself. You need to make yourself an actual influencer, otherwise Snapchat can delete your account for lying to them. What you'll want to do is you'll want to go into settings, hit support. You'll want to send a message to Snapchat. You'll want to hit my account isn't working and then send them a message. And this is where you would say, I'm a personal brand and I do this, that, and this. I would like to get a gold star on Snapchat. Please help me out. You can also tweet them at Snapchat support on Twitter. And you can also get more views on Snapchat. Once you get 10,000 plus views, you will then have an easier chance of getting the gold star. Now, lastly, I'm going to talk about how subscribers work on public profiles. Anyone that you have added will now see you in their subscriptions because you are a public profile. This does not mean you unadded them, and they can still message you if you have them added back especially. They won't come up in your replies, which is another feature I'll talk about in a later video. Your subscribers are the amount of people that have you added. If you have under 5,000, it will say less than 5,000, but if you have over 5,000, it will say 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, and up. You can turn this on, or you can turn it off. If you have 100,000 plus already, it will be automatically turned on once you have your public profile turned on. Alright guys, that's everything for today's video. I hope you guys really liked. I'm going to give you more information on the public profiles that are being given out to everyone. I think I'm going to be getting one very soon. I really hope so, and I'll share it with you guys. So please send this video around and like, comment, and subscribe.